welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. On this channel, I make videos about hair, lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, DIY videos. I feel like I make videos about almost everything on this channel, okay? So please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family, and I promise you, you're not going to regret it, okay? So this video is about this hair that I got from Aliexpress. This is a wig, and as you guys can see, I am yet to open it, okay? And I just want to put this out there, okay, before I start this video. This is not a sponsored video at all. I bought this hair with my money, okay, like with my own currency. So this is not an ad, it's not a sponsored video. I don't even know this company. This is the first time I'm getting a wig from them. So every single thing I'm going to say in this video is my personal opinion. It's the truth. It's how I feel about this hair. So this is a Brazilian water wave wig that I got from, I think, X. Let me check their name, okay? I think their name is SVT hair store. So the name is SVT official store on Aliexpress. So that is where I got this hair from. They have the closure, they have the frontal, but I decided to go for closure because since I struggle with frontals, okay, like I'm not in good terms with frontals. They always mess up, like I always mess them up. I can't figure out what I'm doing wrong. So for now, I'm sticking with closures, okay? So yeah, this is a 4x4 closure, and I'm going to open it right now so you guys can see. So this is how it came, guys. This is the box. I think this looks cute, okay? I like the box. This is the box. This is it. They just wrote like maintenance. I think this is how to maintain the hair, okay? And this is inside the box. There's an eyelash inside the box, a wig cap, and this is the hair. And I want to let you all know that I received this hair pretty quick. Like I ordered it on Wednesday or Thursday last week, and I think I received it on Monday. So that's like 4 or 5 days. So that is pretty quick for me. So they sent it through FedEx. This is their package, FedEx package, okay? So this is the hair out of the box. So it's a bob wig. I got the 14 inches, I think. Let me see. Yeah, so I got the 14 inches. So it's short. So guys, my first impression about this hair is that it's very soft, like very soft. The coils is very nice. Like you guys can see the coils is looking very nice, and it's not falling off actually. Can you guys see it? There is no hair coming off. I mean, one just came off and that's it. So I'm running my fingers through it and there is no hair coming off. Also, the hair is pre-plucked, but I think I'm going to pluck it a little more. And for the lace, like guys, I really don't know much about laces on wigs, seriously, but I just know that this is not the kind of lace that is going to rip off as soon as you touch it, or as soon as you even breathe on it. It's just going to rip off. So this is not that kind of lace, okay? This lace is going to last, but I can't tell like if it's a very good quality lace or not, because seriously, I'm not into wigs so much. Like I really don't care that much about laces on my wig, as long as they are not those kind of lace that are going to rip off, okay? So I'm going to come closer and show you guys. So this is it. This is the lace, and I just wanted to put it against my skin so you guys can see it. So far so good. I feel like I like everything about the wig right now. I like the length. I decided to go for a very shorter length, okay, because I want a bob you know, coily wig or wavy wig. So I decided to go for a shorter length, but I think they have the 16 inches and the 18 inches, okay? So if you want it longer, you can, you know, get the longer length. Yeah, and I like that it's not ripping off. I like that it's very soft. So it came with 3 combs, 1, 2, and there is one behind it here. And it also has this elastic band. This is it on the 2 sides, okay? So let's go ahead now and install this wig, okay, so you guys can see it on me. But first I'm going to pluck it, and I'm going to do that off camera, okay. So I'll be back when I'm done plucking the wig and we're going to install it, okay. So guys, I'm done plucking the hair. I didn't pluck much, I just plucked very little, and I also didn't pluck the parting, okay. I just left the parting the way it is, okay. So I'm going to go ahead now and wear the wig, okay. So first I need to make sure my natural hair is well laid, okay. So guys, the wig cap is lighter than my skin, okay. So I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation, okay, on the wig cap, and with a brush I'm just going to, you know, apply the foundation, okay, on my wig cap. So guys, this is not a tutorial, okay, like this is not a video of me teaching you guys how to install your wigs. Actually no, this is just you know, part of the review, because I want to show you guys what the wig looks like on me. So I decided to also show a little process of how I installed it. So guys, I'm going to use the Got to Be free spray, okay, to, you know, kind of hold the hair down. We're not using any glue in this video at all, okay. So it's just the free spray, you know, to kind of give it a very little hold, okay. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using. So now guys, the free spray is dry, okay. So we're going to go ahead and use this tiny scissors to cut out the lace, the excess lace here. And guys, please cut in like zigzag motion, okay, don't cut it straight. That's just because our hairline is not straight, okay. Nobody's hairline is like straight, like carved straight, okay. So that's why you want to like cut in zigzag motion. It's going to make it look more natural. So guys, I'm finally done with the hair, and I was supposed to do my makeup before I show you guys the final look, but guys, like, I don't have the time for that right now, okay. So this is the final look. If you want the hair to have more volume, then don't add too much water or too much leave-in conditioner into it, okay. Just leave it a little bit dry. That way it's going to have more volume. What I think about this hair, I think it's worth the money. I forgot to say this in the beginning. I bought this hair for $73, so I think that is worth the money, you know, for what I've seen so far. It's not shading, it's not tangling yet. It's still new, so I don't expect it to tangle. The water wave looks nice. It gets activated with water. As soon as you add water or leave-in conditioner or like fitting foams into it, you just, you know, like the waves pops out immediately, okay. So I think it's just perfect for the money. It's, you know, like very affordable, and the hair looks nice. Okay, yeah, so that is what I think. So if you want to get hair from Aliexpress, you can check out that store. Their name is SVT Officials. I'm going to leave their link in my description box. Okay, so you can check out the store. And you guys know, like, everybody's opinion is different, every hair is different, so I'm not vouching for them. I'm not saying, oh, all their hair look this nice or they feel this nice and all that. Okay, I'm just saying you can check them out. And always remember to check out the, what is it called, reviews. Yeah, always remember to check out reviews. You know, you can check out pictures like people dropped at the reviews before you get any hair from all the stores at Aliexpress. Okay, so before I get something from Aliexpress, I try as much as possible to, you know, go through all the reviews and, you know, check out pictures. Okay, yes. And the only problem I have with this hair is the lace. It was really difficult to hide the lace. I think it's still showing a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's very difficult, okay, for me to hide the lace. So that's the only problem I have with the hair. But apart from that, I think this hair is very perfect, and I'm going to buy from that store again because I really like what I see here. If you're still here and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below right now, okay, and join this amazing YouTube family. And I promise I'm going to bring you guys more wig videos. The only reason why I don't make you know, wig videos, like installing wig videos on my channel, is because I'm kind of not in a comfortable place with installing my wig. I feel like I'm not that perfect yet, okay, but I don't think I did so bad with this one. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys more wig videos, more, you know, installing wig videos. So please hit the subscribe button, okay, and join this amazing YouTube family. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Merry Christmas in advance, okay. I wish you a happy holiday, and bye.